Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm a film and TV makeup artist in Hollywood, and I use BELLA DONNA on all my clients. It is the utmost clean, high-performance color line I have ever used. We're moving into a fall look, and we're going to use BELLA DONNA's Amalfi palette. There are 6 shades in here, multi-use, matte and shimmer. You can use them wet, dry. Depending on the brush you use, you can use them for shadow, eyeliner, and you can even touch up your brows. We're creating a rich bronze eyeshadow look, and then I'm going to wet a smaller brush and make a warmer eggplant eyeliner. I dipped my brush into a little bit of purified water, and now I'm going to use the eggplant shades to make a darker eyeliner. This is a quick way to transform your look for an after-work event. It's a great palette to have. I'm going to take the darker eyeliner and use it on the bottom of the eye too. Now I'm switching to a smaller angled brush, and I'm going to use this color to touch up her brows. For the perfect fall lip, we're going to use BELLA DONNA's Love Lips in Luscious and the Mandarino Lip Sheer. The Love Lips is a double-sided natural crayon. I'm using the liner first to outline the lip. Then I'm going to use the lip color to fill in, and Mandarino will be the icing on the cake. These Love Lips last a little bit longer than a lipstick would. The Mandarino Lip Sheer has a great natural shimmer. That completes our fall look using BELLA DONNA's rich pigments.